Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen appliance that promises to elevate your rice game to an entirely new level: the CUCKOO Twin Pressure Rice Cooker. Now, CUCKOO is a name that's synonymous with quality rice cookers, and this particular model, the CRP-ST0609FW, boasts some really intriguing features, especially that twin pressure system. So, let's get into it and see if this cooker lives up to the hype. Right off the bat, the capacity is a good starting point. This is a 6-cup uncooked rice cooker, which translates to about 12 cups when cooked. This is a fantastic size for small families, or for those who often entertain guests and need a good amount of rice without taking up too much counter space. It's not a monster cooker, but it's certainly not a tiny one either. It hits that sweet spot for a lot of households. One of the standout features here is the sheer versatility offered by its 16 menu options. This isn't just for your basic white rice. We're talking about specialized modes like GABA rice, which is fantastic for those looking for healthier options, brown rice, glutinous rice, and even a stored rice setting, presumably to refresh older cooked rice. Then you have your high-pressure and non-pressure steam options. This dual-pressure system is the real star of the show. It allows you to choose between high pressure for a chewier, stickier texture, or non-pressure for a lighter, fluffier result. This level of customization means you can tailor the rice to your exact preference or to the dish you're serving. For example, sticky rice for sushi, or fluffy jasmine for a curry. The open cooking mode is another interesting addition. While the product details don't elaborate extensively, it suggests a more hands-on approach, perhaps for experimenting with different grains or even steaming other foods beyond rice. We'll definitely be exploring this more in our testing. Safety is always a paramount concern with pressure cooking appliances, and CUCKOO has addressed this with their safe steam release mechanism. The cooker is designed to release pressure softly and quietly, which is a much more pleasant experience than some older pressure cookers that can be quite startling. This makes the cooking process feel much more convenient and less intimidating, even if you're new to pressure cooking. Beyond the core cooking functions, the inclusion of a voice guide is a smart touch, especially for those who might find navigating menus a bit challenging, or for when you're multitasking in the kitchen. It adds an extra layer of user-friendliness. Let's talk about what's in the box. CUCKOO includes the essential accessories you'll need to get started: a product manual, which is crucial for understanding all those 16 menus, a rice spatula for serving without damaging the non-stick inner pot, and a rice measuring cup to ensure you get the right proportions every time. The inner pot itself is non-stick, which is a huge plus for easy cleaning and prevents rice from sticking and burning, making that dreaded post-meal cleanup much simpler. Now, no product is perfect, so let's consider some potential pros and cons. On the pro side, the 16 menu options provide unparalleled versatility for a home rice cooker. The twin pressure system is a significant advantage, allowing for perfect rice texture every time. The capacity is ideal for most small to medium-sized families. The automatic and quiet steam release enhances safety and convenience. The voice guide is a thoughtful accessibility feature. And of course, the non-stick inner pot simplifies cleanup. For potential cons, while 16 menus sound great, some users might find them overwhelming or only utilize a few core functions. The open cooking mode is a bit of a mystery without further details, and its actual utility might vary. The initial investment for a high-end rice cooker like this can be a factor for some budgets, though often the longevity and performance justify the cost. And while it's a good mid to large size, if you're consistently cooking for very large gatherings, you might need a larger capacity model. In conclusion, the CUCKOO Twin Pressure Rice Cooker CRP-ST0609FW is an impressive piece of kitchen technology. It's designed for those who appreciate precision and variety in their cooking, particularly when it comes to rice. The ability to switch between high and non-pressure cooking, combined with a wide array of specialized menus, means you can achieve optimal results for a diverse range of rice types and personal preferences. It's a safe, convenient, and versatile appliance that brings professional-level rice cooking into your home. If you're serious about your rice, this is definitely one to consider. Link in the description.